Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, students. I hope you are all fine at homes and you must be studying by yourself or with the help of your family. Now we are going to have our English lesson, and that is unit number 1, Aladdin, the Wonderful Lamp. This is a story about a boy who was very poor, and he used to live with his mother. uh, he was a lazy boy, so he didn't want to work, and he used to play in the street all the time. And one day, suddenly, he came across a wizard who took him to a garden where he found a lamp, which was definitely not an ordinary lamp. It was a magical lamp, and through that lamp, he became rich. You might have read this story in other books in Urdu also. So you will read it out, the whole text, and then there is an exercise, comprehension and vocabulary in your book. In this exercise, you have to fill in the blank spaces. After reading, you will be able to fill in these blanks. For example, number one blank is Aladdin lived a long time dash ago. You will put in ago in this blank. Second is every day he played dash the street in. In the street because he was dash, he was lazy and didn't want to work. All the answers of these blank spaces are given in the text. After reading the text, you will be able to fill in all the blanks. Our next exercise or B exercise is about vocabulary, words and their meanings. B exercise is about use of dictionary. In this exercise, you have been given some words like wizard, stony, and magic, spell, lamp, and June. You will look up the dictionary for the meanings of these words. For example, wizard means magician, stony means full of pieces of rocks. Likewise, you will find out all the meanings from the dictionary and you will use them in sentences of your own. This is your homework. In written exercises, you will learn how to use has and have. With the subject I, you, we, they, and the plural subjects, we always use have and then any other words. With the subjects he, she, it, and singular subjects, we always use has. Through this table, you can make many sentences like I have a book, you have a ruler, we have a pencil, he has a pen, she has a rubber, it has a newspaper. There is an exercise given in your book. You will fill in the blank spaces in your book. The exercise given in your book is add, has, or have. My brother has a kite. My sisters have some pretty dresses. Mr. Big has a motor car. You will fill in all the blanks by taking guidance from the table drawn on the previous pages and the one that I have drawn on the board. You will do this exercise in your books and in your copies also. Next topic in written exercises is use of a, an, and some. A and an are also called indefinite articles and they tell the quantity or number of the nouns. You might have read that a and an are used before singular nouns. A is placed before the nouns which are singular and give consonant sounds. For example, cat, dog, elephant. And an is used before the singular nouns which give you a sound. For example, egg, orange, onion, etc. And some is used before plural nouns. So you have been given an exercise in your book, which is add a, and, or some to these sentences. For example, in her bag, she has a purse, an egg, and some oranges. You will do this exercise in your books and copies also. C exercise is to change the sentences into question first and then write short yes or no answers. For example, number one is she has a kitten. First, you will change it into question. So we will put has at the beginning of the sentence. Has she a kitten? To make a question, you will put has at the beginning. After that, she, the S of she will be small letter, and you will put a question mark at the end of the sentence. So this will be, has she a kitten? And the answer is yes, she has, or no, she hasn't. So you can answer whether in yes or no. There are 10 questions given in your book. You can do them on the book and in copies, whatever you want. You have a composition writing in your exercise. In composition writing, you will write a composition on my school. As you have learned the use of has and have, so you will use the sentences consisting has and have. For example, my school has a big building. It has 3 floors. It has 15 classrooms. Each classroom has a whiteboard, and we have a big playground. Likewise, you will make small has and have sentences and write a composition on my school in your copies. Class, you will do all the work in your copies and take pictures and send them back to me so that I can check it. Thank you. See you.